The radio has been our faithful companion for generations now, and even in today's era of entertainment overload, it continues to hold fort. Of course, just like your phone, your watch, and your TV, the radio has undergone changes in ways that would have been unimaginable even a couple of decades back, opening new portals of music, information, and communication to make our lives richer. One of the most interesting devices that we have come across that makes great use of the many improvements in consumer radio technology is the Grace Digital GDI IRDT200 Hi-Fi Internet Radio Tuner, and we'd love to share why.
Here we go!
The Grace Digital Tuner is a combination of internet radio and audio media streaming device that brings all the audio content of the internet from your broadband connection directly to your home stereo. Through it, you can listen to 16,000 plus radio stations like NTR On Demand, Fox News and BBC, 35,000 podcasts, 20,000 plus on-demand subscription streams, or your personal Pandora radio stations, all for free. Not just this, you can complement this by listening to your personal music collection from your PC or Mac, or even an SD or USB storage device. One of the best features of this tuner is that you can connect it directly to your home stereo through analog, digital RCA, or fiber optic connections. Enjoy the full benefits of a top-class internet audio tuner via your home stereo or distributed audio system via Toslink or coaxial or RCA analog outputs. Setting up the tuner is effortless, with the first connection to any 802.11b/g/n Wi-Fi router taking less than 5 minutes. At the same time, the device also supports advanced security features like WEP and WPA half passwords, standard or hidden SSIDs, DHCP and MAC address filtering. If setup is easy, operating the Grace Digital Tuner is easier, with the full function wide range remote control letting you search for stations, skip songs, give feedback on Pandora, save stations, and do a lot more from any location in your room. The Grace Remote Control app can also be used for many of these control functions through your iPhone or iPod Touch. The convenient 2-line backlit LCD display with large font makes it easy to view your selections on the tuner, and also adjust your audio settings and view song title and artist details. With the Grace Digital Tuner installed at your home, you will never be short of music or podcasts to enjoy, whether you are relaxing on the couch or busy cooking or working out, or even in need of some soothing background music for a cozy get-together with friends. The device has done quite well in the user reviews too, with an average score of 3.8 on 5 stars from about 400 customers. The vast content, the sound quality, the pricing, and the customer support all seem to be top-notch, with some complaints coming in for the user interface which seems a bit antiquated. That's about all we have for now on the Grace Digital GDI IRDT200 Hi-Fi Internet Radio Tuner. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of media streaming devices here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.